I am Marco and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you all about me to enter any Yamaha service center for the very first time, because previously I had never owned any Yamaha product. So this Yamaha R15 version 3 is my first Yamaha product, and I will go to the service center for the first ever servicing of my motorcycle. Now let's go to the service center and see the services on my motorcycle. Right now I am crossing Joka. From here the service center is around 3 to 4 minutes away. Very soon I will enter the service center. I have almost reached the service center. Now it's just even not a minute. From here I will take right. So here it is, the service center on my left. So you can see this is the service center.
I am standing on the Diamond Harbour Road. You can see Yamaha service center is clearly visible from here. After entering the service center, you must go to the security guard's table to get the serial number.
Now I am entering the details of my motorcycle and everything. So this is a common procedure everywhere, I guess.
This is well maintained, neat and clean customer waiting area. It has all the modern amenities like AC, TV, coffee machine, separate toilet for ladies and gents are available. This is the area where your motorcycle is washed and the water is dried with compressed air. Chain cleaning is also done here. This is the servicing area where your motorcycle is serviced. There are total 6 ramps. The workshop is quite bigger. You can see that lots of motorcycle can be accommodated inside the workshop. I have already started liking this spacious workshop. This is a dedicated ramp for computerized diagnostic check of the motorcycle. Every motorcycle comes here after servicing for diagnostic check. This diagnostic check is performed using a wire that is connected to my motorcycle. You will receive a printed copy of diagnostic results of your motorcycle. Before delivering the motorcycle to the customer, the service advisor is taking a test ride to ensure flawless service. During this pre-delivery test ride, the service advisor ensures that each and every parameter of the servicing is done on the motorcycle. Here is the list of items that are consumed during the first service. The list includes engine oil, oil filter, carbon cleaner and coolant. The total service cost is 2,360. This is the most premium engine oil from Yamaha. Its name is RS4GP engine oil and its grade is 10W40, and it is a full synthetic engine oil and its price is 1,300 rupees. This is the carbon cleaner. When there is more than half tank petrol in your motorcycle, you just open it and pour it into the petrol. It will reduce the carbon deposition on your engine. This is another part that is consumed during first service. This is engine oil filter and its price is 75. You can purchase lots of products from the service center for maintenance of your motorcycle. You can purchase chain cleaner for 489, Yamaha parts cleaner for 350, Yamaha chain lube for 515, Yamaha polish for 2200, Yamaha shampoo for 295. It is lithium grease spray. Apart from that, scooter gear oil for 57, Yamaha rust inhibitor for 340 and the carbon cleaner at the bottom. This service center has amazing stock of products. For any queries or feedback related to servicing of your motorcycle, you can contact any of the persons mentioned here. you can note down their names along with mobile number for your future reference.
So I have just now completed the servicing of my motorcycle from Paul Yamaha, which is situated in Joka. Now I am heading back. If you like the video which is made on servicing of this Yamaha R15 version 3, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have anything to know from me regarding the servicing or regarding R15 V3, then feel free to put your comments in the comment box below. And thank you for watching till the end.